There's words to a song that goes like this. Perhaps love is like a window, perhaps an open door. It invites you to come closer and it wants to show you more. So even if you lose yourself and don't know what to do, it's your memories and your love that will see you through. Now some say love is like a cloud and to some as strong as steel. For some a way of living and for some a way to feel. And some say love is holding on and some say letting go. And some say that love is everything and some say they don't know. So perhaps love is like the ocean, sometimes with conflict and change, like a fire when it's cold outside or thunder when it rains. So Jackie and Evan, now that you're together, may all your dreams come true. Just remember, it's your love for each other that will always see you through.
Jackie.
My sweet Evan. First off, I want you to know that I love you so much. I have been imagining this day for 6 years, and it's finally here.
Everything has been as perfect as you have imagined, and you've done such an amazing job planning all this.
Every moment, good and bad, from the past 6.5 years has gotten us to this moment here today.
From the moment I saw you, I knew deep down that you were special to me in some way. Little did I know you would be my wife.
We've had so many adventures, and today is our biggest one yet. I have found pure love and happiness through you. I promise to love you every day for the rest of our days, even when it gets hard. I am yours.
You're an amazing woman, and I couldn't be luckier to call you mine. You're my best friend and the best teammate I could ask for in this lifelong adventure.
Today starts the rest of our life, and I can't wait for all of the adventures left to come. I love you, Evan James, and I always will.
Now let's go get married. Love, Evan.
It was right when Tinder came out. I was single at the time, and I'm just like swiping through like a storm, and Evan didn't care. And that was the first time he opened up to me about Jackie.
Your love has grown and matured along with you both, and you have a fierce dedication for one another, which brings out the best in you.
He didn't care that she lived 3 states away. He knew that somehow in the end it all worked out, and it makes me so happy to see you guys here tonight.
Even though marriage has its challenges, I know you two will face anything as it comes with your continued commitment for one another.
Jan and I discovered 31 and a half years ago that love, kindness, and selflessness will carry you through everything. And so I'm hoping that she will be with me for the rest of my life, as I hope you discover those 3 traits will carry you through the rest of yours. So to Evan and Jan.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Evan and Jackie Fielder. For the first time in public, are now legally married. Make this the bride.